Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in pipes and systems. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Friends, see, three pipes A, B, C can fill a tank in 8 hours. Friends, it is given that the efficiency of pipe C is 20% less than the efficiency of pipe A. Friends, say the efficiency of pipe A 100 liters per hour. 100 liters per hour. That means pipe A can fill 100 liters per hour. Friends, pipe C is 20% less efficient than A. That implies pipe C can fill only 80 liters per hour. Friends, it is given that pipe B is 50% more efficient than pipe C. That means 50% more efficient means 80 plus 40, 120. So pipe B can fill 120 liters per hour. Now A plus B plus C can fill 120 plus 80, 200 plus 100, 300 liters per hour. A plus B plus C can together fill 300 liters per hour. Friends, A plus B plus C together can fill in 8 hours. So the capacity of the tank is 300 into 8, 2400 liters. The capacity of the tank is 2400 liters. Now, in how many hours pipe B alone can fill the tank? Total capacity of the tank is 2400 liters. Pipe B can fill 120 liters per hour. So, the time taken by B is equal to 2400 by 120. This is equal to 20 hours, friends. 20 hours is your answer. Thank you.